Hey guys, welcome to the video. And today's video we're going to be unboxing the Osee 4K on-camera monitor. So since I've been recently building out the studio, I've been collecting gear around videography and basically to help me create better videos, and this was one of them. I wanted to pick up a on-camera monitor, but I just didn't know which one to take up. So I did some research and this one was highly recommended, the Osee brand. I know it has other brand like Shinobi, Ninja, and like Small HD, but I don't want anything professional yet. So I thought I might just like stick with the basic. Yeah, this is my first time using the monitor, basically. So I'm gonna just like unbox it and give you guys my first impressions. So yeah, let's get it. It's the one open. Like what? Okay. Another tape. Okay, so we got a pamphlet, foam. We got the monitor. Don't need that. We got the hood. We got the bracket. And we got HDMI cables. So let's check this out. Oh man, that's clean. It's not say heavy. It's not like heavy duty. It's like made out of this, like it's plastic. At the same time, the screen is 5.5 inches. So I believe you could also upload your own LUTs as well. Like it could take a SD card here. We got a mic jack, and we got the HDMI port as well as the bracket. Okay, let's see. I think this also takes a battery. I don't have the battery yet. I gotta buy it. Okay, so this goes here, I believe. So like, okay, and like, there's a horseshoe mount right here. Let me get a camera. Okay, so this goes like that. Okay. Oh no, that's totally wrong side. Okay, like this. And that's cool. Like that. Okay. Then we get HDMI. So this is the Canon M50, and it doesn't take HDMI to HDMI. It takes HDMI to micro. This is on. This is on. this is not one. So I need a battery to work this, I believe. Yeah, I think so. Do I? Yeah, I need a battery. Ooh. I don't have any of the batteries. Alright, maybe I do. Let me double check. Oh, it worked. I simply need to power it on. Power. Okay guys, this is the Osee T5 4K monitor. So this is basically what it looks like on the camera. So right now I have my Canon M50. It's connected to it via the HDMI to micro HDMI. There's a lot of functions in this monitor. I don't want to get into it because it's a lot. Like you get a histogram, you get zebras, you could get you can even add your own LUTs as well, and I don't really have LUTs, so it's like you could check peaking, you could well, the look is the LUTs, yeah, and you could even add more. So it's like if you go into the list of tools, like just look at that. So you get a LUT for like 150. And this is like for me, this is my first monitor, as I said, so I'm just gonna play around with it. Right now you're seeing like this section of the studio. I plan to like make a entertainment slash like gaming zone right here. So this is where we're gonna like do builds in the future, like different computer builds. I'm not sure yet because I'm still figuring this out, but yeah, let's see guys. I'm still new to videography as well. I want to make these videos because I like making these videos, and I want to challenge myself to make better content as well. Like this is like a hobby for me at this point. So yeah, anyway, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.